Hello again. So, similar to yesterday's video, we're still, the algebra is still multiplication and division equations to find a variable. We are using, multiplication and division, and we're just trying to use it, find a variable in an equation. But this video is specific to multiplication and division. All right. Remember, in order to solve a variable within an equation, you have to do the opposite or the inverse of that operation that's within the equation. So another way to consider is how to solve an equation of a variable is to isolate the variable. I didn't say that last video. This video I'll introduce it. You want to isolate the variable, and then we can solve for it. So the opposite of multiplication, division. The opposite of division is multiplication. How do we isolate the variable? 9 is attached to y. Okay, and so that's multiplication. So we have to divide. So in order to divide, what is 9 divided by 9? 9 divided by 9 is 1. So look, if we divide 9 by 9, okay, so what we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. We have to divide it by 9. So now, y, 9y, 9 times y divided by 9 is just y. Y equals 45 divided by 9. Okay. 45 divided by 9 is 5. Okay. Now let me write this out again another way. 9 times y equals 45. So let's do the opposite. The opposite is division. So 45 divided by 9 equals y. Do you see how y is isolated? It's alone on the other side of the equation. The other side of the equals sign. C divided by 7 equals 4. So the opposite would be multiplication. 4 times 7 equals what? C. So 28 equals C. That's it. We isolated C. C is on the other side, right? Okay. So another way, and watch. This is written the same way. And now I'm going to write it this way. Okay. So, let's say C divided by 7 equals 4. So we're going to multiply by 7, right? Multiply by 7, multiply by 7. So now we have C, because those cross out, C equals 4 times 7. C equals 28. 120 equals 20 times x. Anytime you have a number attached to a variable, it's multiplication. So we have to divide. So we're going to divide it by 20, divide it by 20. So 120 divided by 20 equals x. Well, we can drop the zeros. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Right? 6 equals x. Oh, x. And let's change that. Let's test it. 20 times 6 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 120. 120. There is a lot going on in this board. And this, y'all are in 5th grade or you're learning algebra. Press pause, rewind, watch again. Give me a call or a text if you have any questions about this, about how to isolate a variable. But again, it's just the whole thing, the whole concept is you have to do the opposite. You have to do the opposite of the operation in the equation. The opposite of division is multiplication. The opposite of division, multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So 9 times 4 equals n. 36 equals n. And let's test it. What's 36 divided by? So n is 36. So 36 divided by 4 is 9, right? 9, 18, 27, 36. All right. K divided by 7 equals 8. So 8 times 7 equals K. 54? Nope, 56. 8 times 8 is 64. So minus 8 is 56. 56 equals K. 48 divided by 12 equals S. 48 divided by 12 is 4 equals S. 12 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 48. We can always check our answer. With algebra, we can always check our answer. Once we solve for the variable, n equals 36. Great, test it. K equals 56. Test it. S equals 4. Test it. That's it. That's the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what I can do to help. Let me know if you have any questions or what you need. Thanks.